Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long range weather forecast discussion for February 14th to the 29th. February 14th to the 18th, the flow remains unchanged. We still have a ridge of the eastern Pacific. We also have a ridge of the Caribbean with above normal heights in the east. Heights remain generally below normal with across northern latitudes with a trough into the west. So the models don't change the pattern that much. Stays generally the same. And during this period, let me get to the other map, we will have a series of Pacific fronts that will move inland. And this will continue to bring rain and mountain snows to locations of the Northwest through the northern and central Rockies. Here's another system. Then the next one comes in on Sunday and into the Northeast. Now, there remains a threat for enhanced rainfall for eastern Texas to the southern Appalachians. And we're going to take a look at that. Now, here's the first system here. And you can see it's this is from an upper low that originated here over northwest Mexico. And this will be moving into this area that has already received a lot of rain, and the northern fringes will be snow. So this is 7 p.m. on Wednesday, and then we go to GFS 7 a.m. on Thursday. Now it's all rain. There might be a brief period of snow you can see moving in here, but then it goes to rain, and then we look at 7 p.m. on Thursday. Then it gets colder again, and then Friday the cold air really moves in. That's the GFS. Now we look at the European. Here's the European storm. Pretty good agreement. See, we go back here. We look at the system. They're pretty much there. And then we go to 7 a.m. on Friday. Not much of a change. And 7 p.m. Then it's over, and maybe colder air moves in with snow. That's the European. Now, warm front will be lifting north from the Gulf of Mexico will help enhance the activity, and any snow will be confined to portions of the Great Lakes to the northeast and possibly the central Appalachians. So it'll be mostly far inland. Now we're going to look at the period for February 19th to 23rd. The flow is forecast to become flatter compared to the previous period. You can see here, and then we go back to the 23rd. Now, however, the European ensembles still keeps a trough in the west, ridge in the east, but generally below normal heights across here. So things don't change very much. So I'm forecasting for this forecast period, below normal temperatures for this area. I'm forecasting numbers of 4 to 6 degrees below normal. Above normal temperatures forecast here. Anomalies of 4 to 8 degrees above normal are forecast. And for precipitation, below normal precipitation is forecast for the western states, and the probability of occurrence is 35%. Then we have above normal precipitation for much of this area here. Probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%. Looking at the period for February 24th to the 29th. Overall, expecting a zone of flow by most models. However, the European is showing tendency for a trough here across the northern U.S. But overall, generally a zone of flow across the nation and with near to above normal heights. So the models have been different. The ensembles have been differing on the forecast for the temperature. So as a compromise here, I'm going to keep above normal temperatures for much of this area, and I'm forecasting anomalies of 2 to 6 degrees above normal. And for precipitation, below normal precipitation is forecast here, with the forecast, the probability of occurrence of 40%, and then we have above normal precipitation here, and the probability of occurrence is 40%. That's the long range weather forecast discussion for February 14th to 29th. Thanks for coming, Jim Unley's World of Weather, and have a good day.